Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Soundcore Space A40 earbuds, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use these earbuds. So I'm going to talk about 11 tips and tricks. So let's start. The first tip is about how to connect these earbuds with your mobile phone. So you have to put them back in the charging case and you have to keep this charging case open. Now on the other side on your phone, you have to turn on your Bluetooth. So I will just scroll down this quick panel option and here is my Bluetooth. I will turn it on. Now on the next step on your mobile phone, you have to open Play Store and you have to download an app. Name of the app is Soundcore. So I will just write here Soundcore. I just search. So here this is the first app, Soundcore by Anker. So you have to install it. It will take just a few seconds. So the installation has been done. Now I will open this app and here you have to agree and continue. And then if you have Soundcore ID, you can enter your email and password. If you don't have any Soundcore ID, you can just sign up from here. But I don't want to enter my ID. I will just skip. So I will just select this skip option. Now here what you have to do, you have to select this next option. Again, you have to select next and then again you have to select this I got it. Now here what you have to do, here you see this option of add device. Just select it. Once you select it, here it will ask you to allow. So I will just allow it and then it will start searching for the earbuds. Now here you can see it is showing Soundcore Space A40. So I will just select it. Now it will start connecting with these earbuds and it will take just a few seconds. And then here you can see it is asking Bluetooth pairing request. So I will select this pair option and then it will start making a connection. So here you can see it will give you some information. You can just skip it. Okay, so you can just scroll it like this and then select this got it. So here you can see our Space A40 earbuds are now connected with our mobile phone, and here it is also showing you the battery percentage for the left and for the right earbuds, and you have more information available. So the earbuds are now connected and ready to use. The next tip is about controls. So for example, if you want to play or pause any kind of video or audio on your right earbud, at the back side you have to tap 2 times. So for example, this video is now paused but I want to play it. So I will just double tap it like this and the video will start. And now for example, if I want to pause this video, I will again just double tap it like this and here you can see the video is now paused. The next tip is about moving to next track. So for example, if you want to move to the next track on your left earbud, you have to tap 2 times at the back side. So for example, I am playing this video but I want to play the next video. I will just double tap it like this and here you can see the next video is now playing. The next tip is about answering or ending the calls. So for example, I will call on this number and then if you want to answer the call, you have to just tap single time on any of these earbuds. So for example, I have this call. Now I want to answer. I will just tap 1 time like this and here you will see the call is now answered. Now for example, if I want to end this call, I have to double tap at the back side. So I will just double tap it like this and here you can see the call is now ended. So you can use any of these earbuds for answering or ending the calls. The next tip is about switching to noise cancellation mode or transparency mode. So at the back side of any of your earbuds, you have to press and hold for 2 seconds. So currently on my app, you can see currently it is set to normal, but I want to go to the noise cancellation mode. I will press and hold it like this at the back side, and on my phone, you can see now it is switched to noise cancellation. Now for example, if I want to switch to transparency mode, which is available over here, now again I will press and hold at the back side of my earbud for 2 seconds and you will see it is now switched to transparency mode. The next tip is about controls customization. So the controls that I mentioned before, you can customize them, you can change them. So what you have to do on your app, the Soundcore app, just open it. Once you open, just select this space A40. Once you open this space A40 earbuds, here you see this option of controls. Just select it. Once you select it, here you can see it is giving me different option for single tap, double tap and hold for 2 seconds. For example, for single tap, currently it is turned off. If you want to enable, you can enable it like this. And here you see this for the left earbud and this is for the right earbud. So for left earbud, single tap mean volume down, but if you want to change it, select this arrow and here you can select any of these options. Next, previous, play, pause. So any of these options you can select. For example, I select this next. Then I will go back and for the right, it is set to volume plus. So I can change it as well. For example, if I want to set to previous track, I select this previous and then I will go back. Then for the double tap, you can see I already select for the next and then for the right, I select play and pause, but you can customize it from here. You have more options. For example, you have gaming mode option, ambient sound, voice assistant options available in double tap as well. The next tip is about noise cancellation customization. So you can customize your noise cancellation modes. So what you have to do, you have to go inside the Soundcore app and then select this space A40. Now here, first of all, you have to select this noise cancellation option and here you select these modes. So modes currently select to adaptive mode, but if you want to change it, just select this arrow like this and here you can see it is currently set to medium noise environment, but you can set it manually as well. So here is the manual mode option. So if I select manual, so here you can see currently it is set to moderate noise environment, but you can change it by just doing like this, just swiping like that. So currently it is set to weak noise environment. If you want to go for strong, so you just move it like this, just move this dial like that. So now it is set to strong noise environment. The next tip is about transparency mode customization. So again, you have to go inside your Soundcore app, select space A40 and then here you have to select this transparency mode option. So I will just select this transparency and here you can see for modes, currently it is set to fully transparent, but if you want to change it to vocal mode, select this arrow like that. It will open a new window and here you see this option of vocal mode. So if you want the vocal mode, just select it from here. The next tip is about sound effects customization. So you have to go inside your Soundcore app, select space A40 and here you see this option of sound effects at the bottom. So sound effects, just select it. Once you select it, here you have 3 different options available. So the first category is Hair ID sound. You can test it and then you can enable this option. The next one is default. So inside this default category, we have subcategories as well. So if I just select this arrow, so here you can see we have 22 preset profiles. So here we have podcast, deep, flat, jazz, hip hop. So different options available here. Okay, and then if I go back, the last option is custom. So if I just select this custom, if I select this arrow, so here what you can do is you can customize your EQ by yourself. So here you can see I can customize it manually by myself. Okay, so here you can see I can make it up, make it down. So here I can customize it. The next thing is you can connect these earbuds with 2 different devices at same time. So currently I have my mobile phone and I have this Surface tablet. So you can connect it with your PC, with your laptop as well. Now what you have to do, first of all, on your mobile phone, you have to open this Soundcore app. So I will open this app, select space A40 and here on top right corner you see this option of settings. Just select this settings icon and here what you have to do, you select this option of device list. Once you select it, here you see it is showing you dual device connection, but currently it is disabled. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to enable it. Okay, so I will enable from here. It will just take 10 seconds for the switching. Now the next step, what you have to do on your mobile phone, you have to disable your Bluetooth. Okay, so I will just scroll down, I will disable my Bluetooth. After doing this setting, you have to come to your tablet or your PC, and then here you select this settings icon. Just go inside the settings and then select this Bluetooth and devices. Once you select this Bluetooth and devices, so currently the Bluetooth is turned off, so you have to turn it on. Now the next step is you have to select this add device option and then select this Bluetooth. It will start scanning the devices. So here you can see it is showing Soundcore space A40. Just select it. Once you select it, it will start making a connection. And here you can see the device is now connected with my tablet. Now what I have to do on my mobile phone, I will turn on my Bluetooth as well. So I will just scroll down, I will turn on my Bluetooth. And then I select this Soundcore space A40 from here, and then it will start connecting with this Soundcore space A40 earbuds. Okay, and then I will show you that both devices will be available. So currently it is connecting, so now you can see it is connected. Then I press done. Now I will open this Soundcore app, and then I will select this settings icon from here, and then I select this device list option. So I will just select it. So here you can see dual device connection is turned on. It is connected to my tablet and it is also connected to my S23 Ultra with this phone. So two devices are now connected. The next tip is about auto power off. So if you want to save battery life for these earbuds, when they are disconnected from your phone's Bluetooth, they will automatically turn off after a specific period of time. So for example, I set it to 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, they will turn off automatically. But you can customize this time, you can change it. So what you have to do, you have to go inside the Soundcore app, and then you select this space A40, and then you have to go inside the settings. So here is the settings icon on top right corner, and then here if you just scroll down, you see this option of auto power off. So I set it to 30 minutes, but if you just select this arrow, here you have more option. You have 60 minutes, 90 minutes, 120 minutes, or you can select the never power off option as well. The next tip is about find device option. So for example, if you lost one of your earbuds, so you can use this find device option. It will play a small sound, then you can hear it and you can find it. So what you can do is just select the Soundcore app, just select the space A40, and then go to the settings icon. Once you enter into the settings icon, you just scroll down and you will see this option of find device. Just select it. Once you select it, here you can see we have the left and the right earbud option. So you can just play it like this, and then you will hear a very small sound on your earbud. And then if you want to play the left one, so you can play from the left as well. So you can also hear a sound from the left earbud. So this will be really helpful if you want to find your earbuds. The next thing is you can also enable high resolution audio in these earbuds, which is called LDAC. So what you have to do on your mobile phone, just go inside the Soundcore app, select space A40, and then here you see this settings icon on top right corner. Just select it. Once you select it, the very first option in the setting is sound mode. Just select this arrow. Okay, so now here you can see it is giving you the option of preferred audio quality, LDAC. Okay, so what you can do is you can just select it. It will take 10 seconds for the switching, and it will also consume more battery. So once it is connected to the LDAC, what you have to do, you have to scroll down to your Bluetooth settings. Just press and hold it like this, and here you see the Soundcore space A40. Just select this settings icon from here, and here you see a new option available, which is called LDAC, use high quality audio. So you have to enable it from here as well. Once you enable it, everything is done. Now you can have this LDAC on your earbuds. The next tip is about personalize your sound profile. So you can do a Hair ID test and create tailor-made sound profile. So what you have to do, you have to go inside this Soundcore app, select this space A40, and here you see this option of Hair ID. Just select it. Once you select it, here you select this next option. Here you can select your age. Okay, so whatever age you are, just select it and then select this next option. And then here you can see it is showing you some information. Just select this next. Okay, so here is the next. Then here it will ask you to start testing. You have to put the earbuds inside your ear. So this is how you can personalize your sound profile, which is really amazing. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.